Here is the latest in web development, the biggest stories up to today. 5 headlines, let's get moving. A silent bug locked a major library. Drizzle ORM unlocks NPM package publishing. Drizzle reached the 100 megabyte limit for its packument. This file tracks every single version release. Support had to manually purge legacy versions. This bottleneck exposes the hidden fragility of NPM. Scaling your version history has real consequences. Maintainers now face a hard ceiling on metadata. Projects must prune old releases to stay active. Complexity creates invisible limits in software distribution. Next up, Johnson & Johnson security flaws. Data security just took a major hit. Researcher uncovers critical flaws in Johnson & Johnson apps. A security audit revealed major gaps in company systems. One recruiting portal leaked student records through a misconfigured API key. Another internal audit tool allowed full administrative access without authentication. These holes created a massive risk for private employee and student information. Corporate security standards require tighter oversight on every connection. Developers need to swap static keys for dynamic token authentication immediately. Proper access controls prevent unauthorized intruders from harvesting private internal data. Simple misconfigurations are the easiest entry point for attackers. Next up, mastering PyTorch training loops. Bad code kills your model's performance. PyTorch training loops demand precise execution order. Misplaced lines trigger failed convergence or excessive memory usage. Developers must sequence model setup, loss functions, and optimizers with extreme care. Proper placement ensures your training runs efficiently. It prevents silent failures before they waste hours of compute time. Engineers now spend less time debugging drained memory. It keeps training logs clean and convergence predictable. Reliable AI begins with a disciplined codebase. Next up, the great AI productivity divide. Your daily workflow is about to change. AI adoption creates new skills gap. A sharp divide separates professionals embracing automation from those staying manual. Early adopters now iterate faster and solve problems that once stalled entire teams. This isn't just about speed, it is a fundamental shift in value. The chasm between these groups grows wider every single day. Developers must integrate these tools or risk falling behind peers who leverage AI for daily optimization. Standard output requirements are rising to match this new baseline. Embracing this technology is no longer optional for survival. Next up, AI changes product experimentation. Traditional testing methods are losing their edge. Product teams must embrace radical testing shifts. Product development cycles are accelerating rapidly. AI models now handle automatic personalization, which makes tiny optimizations irrelevant. Teams need to pivot toward bold, systemic changes to find real value. The old playbook of small iterations misses the bigger picture. Success now demands larger, more thoughtful experiments. Product managers must stop obsessing over single buttons. They now focus on major feature overhauls that define market growth. Stop optimizing the past and experiment on the future. Catch the next round of updates right here soon.